I'll just drop Archie. Attack you, Eric.
Dead.
Attack Jovan.
Dead.
Attack Jovan.
I died.
And attack you for 16.
So are we going to Stephens? Are you doing that on purpose, or are you actually being awkward? I mean, no.
Aaron gets camera shy.
Do you? Why? It's just like, no one records their memories or takes pictures within our friends. It makes me sad. I just want to look back and have memories.
It's fucking gay.
You know
I'm gonna tell you a story, man. Check it out. One day, there's a little squirrel. His name is Jovan. This little squirrel didn't have too many friends. You can say he was a loner. Anyways, one day, he was walking through the forest looking for nuts, because he liked nuts. He comes across this anteater. And he's like, hey, what's up, anteater? And then he's like, fuck you. And the fucking Jovan was like, wow, what's wrong? Like, what did I do to offend you? And then he was like, you're a fucking squirrel who likes nuts and your name's Jovan. I fucking hate you.
Is that the end of the story?
Yeah.
The end?
Yeah. Sucked.
That's a usually story.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. $5, I got like 2 fucking strips of money.
$5?
I bet it.
Why do you have them?
There you go, John. Chicken and rice.
Massive shit. And you throw all this Louisiana sauce on there and you're just like, right there, that's shit right there. That's a heart attack right there.
It's pretty hot though.
What's pretty hot?
She'd be like, oh, I feel sick, like for like the next like 2 weeks, and I'd be like, man, fuck you, dude.
Dude, here's the story. First time or second time Eric had sex, he fucking got like swollen.
Oh yeah.
It was fucking insane.
Like, it's because like I lasted like too long, and like I'm not circumcised, and like it was like choking my dick, right? And it got all swollen. My shit got all swollen. So like I was like, and I
no,
would try.
Eric put on a condom, not pulling his skin back.
No, yes I did.
Really? I thought you said you didn't.
I did.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't know how that works. You have to put your skin back or what?
Yeah. You put your skin back and you just put it over. And then after that, like this swollen, and I was like, man, what the fuck?
His dick got fucking swollen.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
No,
I thought something happened to him.
It wasn't the head. It was like the foreskin. You pull it back, and
The
then
neck.
like the neck got swollen, and I couldn't put it up. And I was like, what? And like I would try, dude. I would try, and I was like, man, what the fuck? And I was trying, dude, because you're supposed to just like.
So did you come?
Huh?
Did you ever come?
Yes, I can.
Oh, that's good.
No, and then like I was freaking out because I was like, man, it's just not going up, and like it's getting swollen.
It looked like he got bit by a bee or something. It got swollen.
Yeah, and then I went to the doctor and I was like, what the fuck's
So
going
you had a
on?
boner for like.
No, it wasn't a boner. Like it was just like now it was just flaccid with swollen. And I was like, oh, I went to the doctor, and then she was just like, boom, and she popped it back up, and I was like, how the fuck did you do that?
It was a
She's
chick?
like, yeah.
Is she hot?
No, I was like, oh, chick.
She's cool.
Yeah, she just like popped it back up, and I was like,
Did it hurt?
what? No. I just felt kind of weird. Someone else touching my dick, and then like she did it, and I was like, how'd you do that? And she's like, you just gotta do it like pat, and like she showed me like a technique, and I was like, oh, and then it works.
I'm circumcised. Oh, you know.
That's so weird, dude.
Like everyone I met is circumcised.
Yeah, I know. It's so weird. Or not.
It's not that weird at all, dude.
It's very weird.
Not even a little bit.
Dude, I'll show you mine, you show me yours, and you'll see the weirdness in
No,
it.
dude, I've seen circumcised. I mean, uncircumcised, and like it looks like they're like little worms and shit.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Where's the puppy? He died. No, he's dead. He's so cute. Puppy.
Hey, Lord Brannigan. Sit on the ring. Sit on the ring.
Ah, the puppy. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Doodle.
He's so cute.
Big fucking
Look at
child.
him. Look at him.
So happy.
He's so, he's so cute. He just wants to make out, dude.
What do you want?
What is it?
How am I supposed to live without you?
Teddy. Teddy. Shh. Why are you crying, Teddy? This music makes him want to cry. He's vicious, Eric.
He's such a little bitch, bro.
Oh. Dude, he's a little baby.
He just wants love from like everybody, shit.
He's teabagging you.